Hello, and welcome to Owl Pellets. Throughout history, humans have been fascinated by owls. From the Greek goddess Athena and her owl companion to scientists of old, owls have been appearing in our literature and art for thousands of years. Today we recognize owls as an important part of a complex food web. They leave behind important information about the ecosystem in their pellets. Pellets help tell us what is being eaten, how many owls live in an area, and give estimates of prey populations. All raptors, like Ruby the red-tailed hawk and Hunter the great horned owl, make casts of the indigestible materials from their prey. Owls are unique in not being able to break down the bones, so they show up in their casts or pellets. When an owl swallows their prey whole, it passes through the esophagus and rests in the glandular stomach, where digestive enzymes break down the meat. The meat is passed on to the muscular stomach for further digestion. The indigestible parts, like bones and fur, remain in the glandular stomach, where they are mashed into a clump or bolus. This bolus is then regurgitated and is what we call a pellet. Our pellets today are from barn owls. Barn owls are traditionally found in large open grasslands, and humans have provided them with the perfect habitat in farmland. Barn owls are silent hunters who rely on their amazing hearing to hunt their prey, which includes small rodents and birds. Today, you will dissect a pellet to discover what is inside. After reading through the instructions, make sure you have all your tools. You will need paper, a note card, a pencil, a probe, tweezers, glue, a bone sorting chart, and of course, a pellet. Start by unwrapping the foil your pellet is in. The foil keeps the pellet whole during the sterilization and shipping processes. Observe your pellet. Note its shape and size. Look for a good spot to start working your finger or probe into. Gently work your pellet open without damaging any bones. Try to find the skull first if possible and clean it off. Once clean, set it aside while you remove and clean the other bones. When you have removed all the bones, clean up the pellet debris and begin sorting the bones using the chart. Try to identify your skull. Look at the teeth, the holes, and the distance between the front and back teeth. Your skull may have been damaged when the owl was capturing its prey, but do your best. Once you've identified your prey animal, assemble it on a note card. Write a story about your prey animal's life and death. Use the food web poster for ideas. What role does an owl and your animal play in the ecosystem? At the end of class, make sure to throw away your pellet debris and wash your hands.